Hello everyone, this is Akash Singhai from Jabalpur. In Jabalpur, there are several activities conducted by Nagar Nigam of Jabalpur, which is the municipal corporation of the district. However, these activities are not in sync with any other administrative activities. Recently, they have conducted excavation activities along the roadsides, and this has caused disruption of telephone lines. All the telephones, the landline phones in this locality are now dead. You can see that this crane is working and it has dismantled all the cables you can see here. And who will be responsible for all this telecommunication grievance to the public? Look at the crane that side. And I will again show you the cable. You can see this cable is lying distorted. One more cable here.